Hello. I have 2.5 minutes to present this, so I will treat that as a TV commercial. I'm Victor Espinosa, part of the PCIRN IT support group. What we are presenting now, we have a platform, web-based platform that is accessible through the web in any place that you have this connection. Especially, the rabbit trails are running in this platform. But to extend this situation, what we do is we develop a new module to run as a standalone. And this will be useful for several situations when you don't have this access, like, for example, at the site bed or bedside, or in areas in the hospital, there is no access to the wireless connection, or as, for example, Marcus was mentioning, in remote areas where First Nations people live. So what happens is here that you can use a mobile or a laptop or a notebook that has this software implemented and work with that for these duties. The standalone module has 3 specific and fundamental steps. The first one is to download the information from the server, which we call a bundle, that is composed for subjects and forms-specific information that you download to your standalone device. The second part is work exactly as the web-based application. You have all the functionality to collect data, see different forms, or also even collect, recruit a new subject if is needed. You can validate the information and have it immediately stored in your device. And the third step is going at the end of the day or at the end of the trip, you connect again to a web, to the network, and then you upload all the information, resolving any conflict that can happen. For example, if there is a new subject created, you can check that this is the unique final study ID, or if there was modification in the same subject at the time that you were working as standalone, it will ask for resolving any of these conflicts. It is, because of that, completely fully compatible with the web-based application, which is a centralized server, and the information is already available at the same time after it's synchronized. And you don't have to do any additional manual steps to have that. As I said, it's part of the commercial. We have the presentation, a live presentation in the poster session if you want to see more details on that. And that will help to enhance the applicability of these situations for when it's required quick response or before the pandemic, next pandemic. And of course, this work has to be prepared before that happens. Well, thank you, and I think we're ready for lunch.
Not quite yet.
Not yet.